What's up guys, I am David Ochola and in today's video we'll talk about what you should wear for Valentine's. So as far as what you should wear for Valentine's is concerned, I'd like to point out two major issues. The first is where you'll be going and the second is what you'll be up to. So there's two major questions you'll ask yourself. Where am I going and what will I be up to? As far as where you're going is concerned, you need to dress appropriately for that particular setting. For example, for those of you who will be going for picnics, you cannot show up in a suit, you cannot show up in formal pants, so you should not show up in what is or could be considered formal wear. It is a bit too casual a setting for you to wear formal clothes. So if I were to advise you, I'd settle for something a little more casual. Something like a good pair of shorts that fit well and probably a shirt. Because a t-shirt just shows you're not putting in any effort. I think a shirt would be better, maybe a short-sleeved shirt or a long-sleeved shirt that's folded. That will be your go-to outfit for such a setting. On the other hand, if you'll be going to, say, a fancy restaurant, for example, you don't want to dress too formally. You want to make it something in the middle. You want to wear something that's casual and smart at the same time. So you'd probably settle for chinos and maybe chukka boots or a pair of tassel loafers or something like that, or any other kind of loafers that look good, and maybe a blazer and just a shirt. You don't have to go with a tie because that's super formal. That's very formal. That's on the very formal end of things. So for that particular setting, I'd suggest a casual smart outfit. For a formal setting, you want to settle for something very, very formal. By formal, I mean if you'll be taking her out for a dinner date and she's supposed to wear a dress, or rather when she shows up in a dress, or if you're going to a restaurant that she should wear a dress to, then you should wear a suit jacket and probably a tuxedo outfit or a tuxedo inspired outfit. It doesn't have to be a black tie kind of outfit, it just has to be something a little more formal. Say you can throw on a bow tie to a look that would otherwise be a look that you'd pull off to work. Say if it's a shirt and a spezzato look, you can throw on a bow tie instead of a tie just when you leave work or when you leave school. So you want to make some effort as far as that is concerned. So I've talked about three major settings. The outdoor setting, where it's a picnic date of sorts, that is what you should wear. For a fancy-ish indoor thing-ish, you should wear something that looks like this or something close. For a dinner date or a formal setting, you want to wear something that looks like this. And on to the last kind of setting I'd like to talk about, and this is for the outgoing people. For those of you who will be going cycling or ziplining and outdoors activities like that, you want to show up in something a little more sporty because that's what you'll be involved in. Say if you're going kart racing and things like that, you can go for a casual look because that is what you'll be up to during the day. You can wear just nicely fitting sportswear or nicely fitting outdoor activity wear. That will be a go-to outfit as far as that particular setting is concerned. So as far as dates are concerned, or the kind of dates that you'll be going for, I think those are the four major dates that people will go for, and those are the outfits that you can try out. The second thing I pointed out is what you'll be up to. So as far as what you'll be up to is concerned, it just covers or overlaps with the first point that I talked about. If you'll be up to doing some particular activities during the day that are sporty or things like that, then you want to dress appropriately for that particular setting. So guys, that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about, just to give you outfit ideas for the different kind of dates that most of you guys will be going out for. I really hope this video helps. Huh? I can't. Pardon? Oh, the elephant in the room. Yes, the elephant in the room. How could I miss such a big elephant? I know what you're wondering. Should you wear red? Should you wear red clothes, or should you wear things that are themed red on that particular day? Well, I don't really think so, because I think it's a bit overrated in my opinion, and I'm sure very many people share the sentiment. So as far as wearing red is concerned, if you really have to, I'd suggest you just put in a detail. Say for example, a red pocket square, just a little subliminal message to say it's Valentine's, you know? You don't want to show up in a red shirt or a red blazer. I think that would be a little outrageous. And guys, just in case you forgot to buy her a gift before Valentine's, because I know it's like the day after tomorrow, I have a video that you should watch. I will have it linked in the description box below and somewhere around here so that you can check it out. Rijo Mangi is a really good YouTuber, and he talks about style and manners and everything in between, like he says. I'm sure you like this video because in this video he gets to talk about gift ideas for her on Valentine's. I'm sure you like it. I'm sure you'll find it informative. Be sure to check this video out once we're done here. That's all for today. If there's something that you think I didn't talk about and you think everyone else should know, be sure to drop it in the comment section below. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.